Here are my most popular otter videos in honor of Sea Otter Awareness Week. Enjoy.
She literally has a million. She doesn't know what to do. She's really blonde on her just like this fucking house.
It is